Hi, my name is Princess from Mindanao, Philippines. I am 22 years of age. I am a graduate of 2 years course major in computer technology in Mindanao State University, Maigo School of Arts and Trades. I am an Odess freelancer for a year already. Most work that I did is link building using only white hat techniques. Those are form profile link building, directory submission, blog commenting, social bookmarking, and pinging. I also did administrative tasks such as researching and record keeping. I am an open minded person, willing to learn new things, and also I am very willing to share my ideas with you. I am very open also to undergo any training if it will be necessary. I am honest, reliable, and very dedicated in every work I do. Thus, I assure you that I am a good asset in your company, and I am very looking forward to work with you. Again, thank you and more power.